Hi and welcome to Naples Motorsports. My name is Ron Ward, brand manager for the Backdraft Racing Replicas here at the dealership. At almost any time you'll see anywhere from 15 to 20 vehicles in our inventory, always something amazing to choose from. Two different styles, classic and sport. Here we have a classic style with a little bit of a twist. We did some blackout wheels, blackout side pipes. This color is called Cool Gray Khaki. It is absolutely gorgeous with this darker blue stripe that goes up over the top. And with these black wheels on it, it kind of makes the color of the car look like this grayish blue. Really gorgeous on it. White lettered tires set it off for that 1965 kind of look. And the 18-inch wheels, they'll give it a contemporary kind of feel and drive. The knockoff center hubs are true knockoffs. Independent suspension all the way around the vehicle. The doors operate very easily. Pull of a little clip right back here. And then the handle, this strap handle right here, this is just designed to make the clasp open easier as you exit the car. You make your way around here on the back side of the car too. The cars have a very nice practicality, nice, very large size trunk back here. You can fit a set of golf clubs, maybe a shoulder bag, not the large pro size, but a shoulder bag. Over on the inside, we've got a darker grayish blue leather interior, wood steering wheel, dash that matches the color of the seats. Just a beautiful 1965 setup. This car looks gorgeous in person. We have beautiful photos of this car on our website. But best of all, to see the car in person really does make quite a difference. Let's go ahead and let's see what this baby sounds like. Now imagine that in your driveway, pulling up to your house or taking off, going to a car show. This needs to be in your driveway. Give me a call, Ron Ward, 239-776-1310. Thank you.